How to get best Mr. Marvis discount promo codes. In this very quick video, I'm going to provide you one specific website for you to be able to use a discount promo codes that is working for Mr. Marvis up until now. Of course, the very first thing that you will have to do before you add something onto your cart for Mr. Marvis is to create a new tab, and then you're gonna have to go into this website that's gonna be We Thrift. So choose on the first link so that you'll be redirected into their official site. In here, look for search stores, and then you're gonna have to be specific here by typing in Mr. with the dot sign and then add Marvis. So you will have the result here. So as you can see, there are a lot of codes that you can use for welcome, for summer, for get ready, and so on and so forth. If you wanting to have the first one right here, click this option here, the copy code, and then paste it into your payment tab on Mr. Marvis website. And that's how you find the best Mr. Marvis discount promo codes.